Back in the early days of computers, programmers used a shortcut to save memory and storage space. They only stored the last 2 digits of the year instead of all 4. So, the year 1998 was represented as just 98. But as we got closer to the year 2000, people realized this shortcut could cause problems. When the year would change to 2000, computers might think it's actually the year 1900 because of those 2 missing digits. This could lead to all sorts of issues. For example, banks might not be able to process transactions correctly, airplanes could have navigation problems, and power grids might fail. It was a big concern because so many systems relied on accurate dates. To prevent this potential disaster, experts had to go through countless lines of computer code and fix the problem. They had to update software and make sure everything would work properly when the year changed. Their efforts paid off. When the year 2000 finally arrived, there were only a few minor issues. The Y2K bug turned out to be not as catastrophic as people had feared.